of the first things to do before the first flight of the day is the APU fire test. Before performing this test, you have to make sure that the APU fire push-button switch is in and guarded. The agent light is extinguished. Let's perform the test now. Push the APU fire test push button. Observe. The APU fire push button switch illuminates red. Squib and disc lights come on. Additionally, if AC power is available, you get the master warning light, the CRC, and an APU fire warning on the ECAM. Before you leave the cockpit to perform the walk-around, you have to check the emergency equipment. Ensure that the fire extinguisher pressure is in the green area. During the walk-around, you have to check that the APU fire extinguisher overpressure indication, red disc, is in place. This is an indication that the fire bottle has not been discharged. Note, there is no such indication for the engine fire bottles. Once back in the cockpit, we proceed with the engine fire test. We will do engine 1 only. The test for engine 2 is the same. Note, these tests are not necessary during a transit check. Push the engine 1 fire test push button. Observe. The engine 1 fire push button switch illuminates red. Squib and disc lights illuminate. The master warning light flashes. The CRC sounds. The engine 1 fire warning appears on ECAM. The fire light illuminates on the engine panel.